Hello everyone, it is Erin Flito here, and I am here with my quarterly goals. So here is how things turned out for January through March 2022. For me, this is quarter two because in my brain, I have to kind of go with the federal government and how they do their quarterly schedule. So their fiscal year starts in October. So January would be quarter two. So now I'm going to be doing quarter three. It's just how my brain works. If I had different quarters in here than I had at work, that would really mess up my brain. So we have personal, where I set my monthly goals. I've kind of updated the 5 and 10 year plans. I've pretty much updated the 5-year, not the 10-year. Monthly goal review, I have this at 3 quarters because it is not the end of March when I'm filming this. Fun and recreation, the Mets home opener, if you follow baseball at all, it's not happening on March 31st because there is a lockout for the MLB and the MLBPA. So really upsetting. If you're a baseball fan, you probably know how upsetting it is. Buy a paddleboard. We did buy paddleboards. Reward system for business, still have not instituted that. Field activities rollout, that is a platform on for that I built for work. It is getting rolled out in the month of March. It has not been rolled out yet, so I have it at 3 quarters. Start a training center, that is waiting until after the rollout. Update 5-year work plan is complete. Monthly date night, we have been doing that. Go to Florida. Right now costs are really, really high, so I think that's gonna have to wait until like May or June. Finalize things with the court over my divorce. That is all final. I am officially divorced. I'm very, very happy about it. Health and wellness, work out 25 days a month. We've been extremely consistent. Hit monthly PRs, again, extremely consistent. Update wellness log, I have it at 3 quarters, again, because it is not the end of March. Business, finalizing a launch plan. I did that. Hit $1,000 a month on Patreon. It's kind of at my lowest in a really long time. I think that's just because the world is hard. And I know that a bunch of people, for financial reasons, had to roll back their commitments on Patreon. So I don't blame them whatsoever. Costs are rising everywhere right now. Batching content, I've been okay with. February, not so okay with, but I've been doing a lot better for March. So I have that at half. Finances, preparing a personal budget. That's something that my boyfriend and I talked about over the weekend. So we still need to do some more. Pay off car. The car is entirely paid off. Finalize asset division. That has been finalized. Again, that has to do with my divorce. Physical environment, making an outdoor shed. This is actually going to be in a garage now, an outdoor garage, not just an outdoor shed. So I have that halfway because I've contacted some people for quotes, but we have not finalized anything. Cleaning out and and maintaining, I have it half because I've cleaned out my car once, but has it maintained? Absolutely not. Make built-ins and organize office. I have ordered all the stuff to make the built-ins, but I have not actually built them yet. Mostly because it's cold outside and I have to cut wood and things like that. So I don't want to do that while it is still cold outside. So I'm probably going to have to wait till next quarter to finalize all of that. So with all of that said, I know some people were interested in me kind of breaking down my goals a little bit more. So that's why I decided to go over last quarter's goals, and let's go ahead and get on into this quarter. Okay, and I am back for this quarterly goals. You see things are different. So basically, I like to do this in piecemeal and like have my head over my notebook and things like that to kind of focus in. So I can't do that while I'm film. So here are the quarterly goals for this quarter. For my personal, I have set 3 monthly goals in 3 life areas. So that is work, personal, and business. Finish my 10-year plans, have a monthly goal review, invite friends to the house. We had planned to do that in spring because I have paddle boards and things like that. And it would be a lot of fun to go out on the lake with them. Create rewards for business tasks because I didn't do that last time. Have a mini getaway. I put this here because I'm not sure if, again, we'll be able to go to Florida just because of all the rising costs and things like that. So I just want to make sure that at some point, like maybe booking an Airbnb somewhere, taking the dogs, things like that, just to kind of have some fun. Work and learning, create training center on SharePoint. Again, I have taken over a lot of the training stuff at my work, which I'm not super thrilled about, but it is what it is. But I'm going to do my job to the best of my ability, bring some new things to the table, hopefully. So that is one of the things that needs to happen this quarter, is starting to create that training platform. Credentials progress. This is my own credentials. I have 2 that are kind of hanging in there. Actually 3 that I have made a lot of progress on. I just need to do some finishing touches. Credential audit complete. I talked about this in one of my recent videos, that I audit the training for our group. Again, not ideal for my type of job. That's not super what I'm interested in, but again, it is my job, so I do it. Family and relationships, monthly date nights. Of course, I want to continue that. Go to Florida. Fingers crossed. I get to go visit my family and my beautiful nephew, who honestly, it melts my little cold dead heart to hear him say Aunt Eowyn. FaceTime weekly with my parents. We have been doing that. I want my family to... I want to see my family, you know. They've lived in Florida. I've lived up here for many years now, and so I don't get to see them often. So having a weekly FaceTime would be very nice. Health and wellness. This is pretty much the same. Gratitude log in my wellness journal. I don't know if I'm necessarily going to do gratitude log, but I would like to journal in my wellness journal. And I would like to note more things related to gratitude in that journaling experience. So I think that's how I'm going to incorporate it. Log my workouts in planner. Have been very consistent with that and hope to continue doing that. And then log my hydration daily. So I use an app called Plant Nanny, I think it is, because it's just a cute little way of when you drink water in a day, it sends you an update. You log your water, and then the plant grows. So it's a fun little app to do that. My business batch content monthly. I've been doing a lot better with this. That's why this video, I'm referencing like the lockout that happened for the MLB, because at the time I was filming, the lockout was happening. And now I'm filming this latter part later on. So I've been doing a little bit better batching the content. Hire help part-time. So I have put that application out there. It is due on Friday. If you are interested in applying for that shop manager position, it's going to be for about 2 months, 5 hours a week, $15 an hour. And that is only for U.S. residents. Again, I will have the link down below. Reach 20K on YouTube. I have been hovering around 16,000 for a very long time. I would like to do something to push YouTube a little bit more. It's a nice income stream for me, so I would like to push that a little bit more. finances, have a business bank account. So I do have a bank account, but I need to establish all of my income channels going to that bank account and then paying myself a salary. That's going to be like my new way of doing it. Save $200 every month. Log business financials. My physical environment, create office built-ins. Again, I have everything bought. I've just been waiting for it to warm up, and it's been in the 50s. So now's right around the time that it would be nice to start doing that. Clean and maintain a clean car. Fingers crossed, I cleaned it again. So hopefully I can maintain it this time. And then the last one is move cat stuff to the bathroom. Until we have a garage built, we are moving home gym into the guest room. So I need to move this. Basically, the guest room is the cat room at this point. So I need to move that, like their litter box and things like that, into the bathroom, because that is going to be its new home. So those are my quarterly goals. Let me know how you do quarterly goal planning, or if you do quarterly goal planning. And I have to tell you, breaking this out into its own planner has been a game changer for me, because I set things annually and then quarterly, and then on my monthlies, I can incorporate more goals. So that has been working out really, really well for me. So if you haven't done that already, I would highly suggest that it worked for me. Again, it's not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing, but it may work for you as well. So thank you so much, and I will see you in for more quarterly goals next quarter, but I will see you every Wednesday and Friday. So bye, everyone.